Welcome to a new GIBIDI product tutorial. Today we will learn how to program remote controls with the SL544 operator. Let's see how the remote controls are stored on the embedded receiver of the SC24 electronic control unit, which has a maximum memory capacity of 50 units. If we are out of the menus, then we must access it by pressing the OK and Exit keys at the same time. Use the up and down keys to select the transmitter menu and confirm. Select Store New. In our case, we will use the Mako remote controls, one white and one black, and press the button on the remote controls. You will hear the sound of the relay 3 times, and the confirmation message showing the remote control has been successfully added will appear on the screen, in this case the number 1. You can continue to learn remote controls by using the same procedure. From the transmitters menu, remote controls can also be cancelled individually by selecting the appropriate function from the menu. In this case, we perform a test to verify cancellation, even if it is not necessary. Alternatively, all of the remote controls can be cancelled. In this case, the system asks that the user confirms this operation in order to avoid unnecessarily re-adding remote controls. As with the previous operation, we perform a test to verify cancellation of the remote controls. As you can see, with the new graphic display technology and the wizard setup procedure, programming your GIBIDI gate has never been easier. This has been a Creative Automations tutorial by GIBIDI. Thank you for watching!